you make a decision that bus from today onwards I'm going to eat healthy, I'm going to work out, I'm going to take care of my body, the first change that you will make is your diet. A lot of people think that diets have to be very expensive and very complicated recipes. That is totally wrong. But definitely if you add avocados and Greek yogurt regularly to your diet, that is going to burn a hole in your pocket. And let's be honest, we want affordable diets that we can continue for the rest of our lifestyle. Your diet has to be affordable, logical and sustainable enough. Speaking of diets, when you even think about diets, the first few things that come to your mind are oats and eggs. Now oats, a lot of people think are very bland and very boring. Definitely if you just add milk and oats, it will be boring. What you need to do is spice it up. What I always think is that oats are like rice, like eggs. You can add your own spices, you can add your own twist and tweak, make it all flavorsome that you definitely like. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 healthy Desi Oats recipes that you will definitely love, and this is super healthy and all the ingredients will be easily available in your kitchen. Hi everyone, I'm Zakir. I'm a fitness coach and welcome to my channel Go Fit with Arwa. On our channel we regularly share healthy recipes, workouts and fitness and lifestyle tips. So if you haven't already, quickly subscribe to our channel and let's start today's video of 2 healthy oats recipes. There are different kinds of oats available in the market, but the oats that we're going to be using today are rolled oats. These are available everywhere and they are very inexpensive. That means you can use them in all your recipes. We will need oat flour, then you need whole wheat flour, capsicums and onions. Now add all of these ingredients in a large bowl, add salt and oil and mix these all well. You can even keep adding more oat flour or water till it reaches the consistency that you are happy with. Once done, cover it with a cloth for 15 minutes. Now make small balls out of the batter that you just made and roll them out in the shape of rotis that you generally eat. Now make small balls out of the batter that you just made and roll them out in the shape of rotis that you generally eat. Cook it on slow flame for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are crispy and golden brown. The next we are going to be making is oats omelette. In a large bowl, again take 1 cup of oat flour and add double quantity of milk. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. In a separate mixing bowl, crack open 2 eggs, add your choices of spices. Here I've added salt and pepper, plus you can add your choice of vegetables. Here I've added grated carrots, onions and red capsicum. Now add the oats and milk mixture into this mixture and mix it up all well. Now pour the mixture over a pan and cook it evenly on both the sides for 1 to 2 minutes. There you have it, your fluffy, yummy oats omelette. Again, you can pair this up with chutney or I generally eat it with a fruit early in the morning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Go Fit with Arwa.